Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 20th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Maximus, a leading provider of government services worldwide. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Maximus has just released their fourth quarter and full year results for fiscal year 2024, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic outlooks for 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Maximus reported a full-year revenue increase of 8.2% to $5.31 billion. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by higher volumes on key programs in the U.S. segments, with organic growth at 8.8%. The U.S. Federal Services segment, in particular, saw a 13.9% increase in revenue, largely due to volume growth in clinical programs.
And how did they perform in terms of profitability?
For the fourth quarter, the adjusted diluted earnings per share came in at $1.46, slightly below the forecasted $1.47 by analysts. However, for the full year, the adjusted EPS was $6.11, showing a significant improvement from $3.83 in the prior year, indicating strong profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Maximus has also reported improvements in operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their operating margins and future outlook?
Absolutely. The operating margin for fiscal year 2024 was 9.2%, with an adjusted EBIT margin of 11.6%. This improvement is attributed to effective cost management and increased demand for their services. Looking ahead, Maximus has set a revenue guidance for fiscal year 2025 between $5.275 billion and $5.425 billion, with an expected adjusted EBITDA margin of around 11%.
That's quite promising. How does their debt situation look?
They've made significant progress in reducing debt, achieving a leverage ratio of 1.4x, down from 2.2x the previous year. This positions them well for future investments and growth opportunities.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, let's delve into the performance of Maximus's different segments. How did they fare?
The U.S. Federal Services segment saw a robust 13.9% revenue growth, driven by clinical program volumes. The U.S. Services segment also grew by 5.5%, benefiting from strong Medicaid-related performance. However, the outside U.S. segment experienced a 4.6% decline, mainly due to prior year divestitures.
And what about their strategic initiatives?
Maximus has a strong backlog of $16.2 billion, which includes future revenue from existing contracts. They are well positioned to capitalize on new opportunities, with a sales pipeline of $54.3 billion, indicating a healthy outlook for future growth.
CEO insights and fiscal year 2025 guidance. Maximus's CEO, Bruce Caswell, had some positive remarks about the company's performance. What did he highlight?
Bruce Caswell expressed pride in the team's performance, emphasizing a strong finish to the year and a healthy core business. He also mentioned the company's strategic position as a flexible partner to government services, which bodes well for future adaptability and growth.
And what can investors expect in terms of guidance for fiscal year 2025?
Maximus has provided an adjusted EPS guidance of $5.70 to $6 for fiscal year 2025, along with a free cash flow expectation of $345 million to $375 million. They also declared a quarterly dividend of 30 cents per share, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Maximus has delivered a strong performance for fiscal year 2024, with significant revenue growth and improved profitability. Their strategic initiatives and solid guidance for fiscal year 2025 indicate promising prospects. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Maximus's performance and outlook.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Maximus's performance in the comments below. Until next time.